In today's unpredictable world, being prepared for any situation is more important than ever. Whether you are an outdoor enthusiast or someone who simply wants to be ready for emergencies, having the right survival gear is essential. Amazon offers a vast array of survival gadgets and equipment, but with so many options available, it can be challenging to know which ones provide the best value for your money. These products combine reliability, versatility, and durability, ensuring you're well equipped for any survival situation. Number 10. King Lev Bushcraft Hand Auger Wrench. The King Lev Bushcraft Hand Auger Wrench is an essential survival tool for boring holes in wood without electricity, perfect for building emergency shelters or outdoor projects. Made from high-quality carbon steel, it's durable enough to handle tough environments. Compact and portable, it easily fits in your backpack, making it ideal for camping or survival scenarios. The included PU leather cover protects your hands during extended use. Whether setting up camp or constructing shelters, this hand-powered tool provides reliable performance in any situation, making it a must-have for outdoor adventurers and survivalists. Number 9. Prime Adventure Tactical Stick. The Prime Adventure Tactical Stick is a versatile and durable multifunctional survival tool. Unlike standard walking sticks, it's designed for more than just stability, featuring 2 adjustable variants with 6 or 8 tubes to suit all heights. Made from machined aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet strong enough to support body weight. What sets it apart is its ability to perform over 15 different functions, including digging and self-defense. Compact and rugged, this tactical stick is an all-in-one gadget, perfect for survival situations, making it an essential addition to any survival kit. Number 8. Rapid Rope Utility Rope. Every survivalist knows that a strong, reliable rope is one of the most important tools you can have in your arsenal, and the Rapid Rope Utility Rope delivers exactly that. This rope canister provides 120 feet of 1,100-pound test cord, ensuring you have a powerful and durable rope at your disposal for any situation. The rope is stored in a compact canister, roughly the size of a soda can, making it easy to carry in your backpack or even your vehicle's cup holder. What makes this utility rope particularly useful is its integrated cutter and the ability to deploy the rope from any angle, even upside down. This design ensures that the rope won't become tangled, allowing for quick and efficient deployment in emergencies. Whether you need to tie down gear, secure a shelter, or assist in a rescue, the Rapid Rope Utility Rope provides strength and convenience in one compact package. Number 7. Randy Sun Waterproof Socks. Wet feet can lead to a host of problems in a survival situation, from blisters to frostbite, which is why Randy Sun Waterproof Socks are a must-have for any survival kit. These socks are crafted from a blend of high waterproof nylon, lycra, and elastane, making them comfortable, durable, and completely waterproof. They are also breathable, allowing your feet to stay dry and comfortable in both wet and warm conditions. These socks are designed to keep your feet warm and dry even in the harshest environments. Whether you're trekking through snow, wading through rivers, or caught in a heavy rainstorm, these waterproof socks ensure that your feet remain dry, which is critical for avoiding foot-related health issues. They are not only functional but also lightweight and comfortable, making them a perfect addition to any survival gear list. Number 6. Multi-tool carabiner with knife. The multi-tool carabiner with knife combines multiple survival functions into one compact, easy-to-carry device. This tool offers a sharp stainless steel blade, a flashlight, Phillips, and slotted screwdrivers, a hex wrench, a glass breaker, and a bottle opener. Its carabiner clip allows you to attach it to your backpack or belt loop, ensuring it's always within easy reach. In survival situations, having a tool that can perform multiple tasks is invaluable. This multi-tool carabiner is designed for convenience and efficiency, allowing you to address a variety of situations with just one device. Its lightweight design ensures that it won't add unnecessary bulk to your pack, making it ideal for hiking, camping, and emergency preparedness. Number 5. Tieslauer Tactical Straight Knife. A good knife is an essential tool for any survivalist, and the Tieslauer Tactical Straight Knife is one of the best options available. This knife is designed for versatility, with a lightweight body that makes it easy to carry, yet strong enough to handle tough tasks. Whether you need to cut rope, prepare food, or defend yourself, this knife is up to the challenge. The knife comes with a durable kydex sheath and a belt clip, ensuring it's always accessible. Its scalpel-like blade is precise, while the pinky ring on the handle offers a better grip for control during use. Whether you're navigating tough outdoor conditions or facing a survival emergency, the Kia Slower Tactical Knife is a reliable companion that won't let you down. Number 4. Cozy Zone Rechargeable Hand Warmers. Cold hands can be a real problem when you're outdoors, and the Cozy Zone Rechargeable Hand Warmers provide a simple yet effective solution. These compact hand warmers can keep your hands warm for up to 6 hours, with 2 different heat settings that can be adjusted to your comfort level. They are small enough to fit in your pockets, making them easy to carry on camping trips, hikes, or even during emergencies. What makes these hand warmers stand out is their dual function as a power bank. You can use them to charge your phone or other electronic devices in a pinch, making them a multi-purpose tool that's perfect for outdoor adventures or survival situations. Whether you're in the middle of a winter storm or simply trying to stay warm on a chilly hike, these hand warmers are a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 3. Red Camp Wood Burning Camp Stove. Cooking in the great outdoors can be a challenge, but the Red Camp Wood Burning Camp Stove makes it much easier. This portable stove is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it is both durable and easy to clean. It folds up to about the size of a tablet, making it compact enough to fit in your backpack without taking up too much space. This stove uses natural fuel sources such as wood, branches, and dry leaves, meaning you don't have to worry about carrying extra fuel. The included pot stand and grill grate allow for versatile cooking methods, whether you're boiling water or grilling food. The Red Camp Wood Burning Camp Stove is an excellent choice for campers, hikers, or anyone who needs a reliable cooking solution in a survival situation. Number 2. Atomic Bear Fire Wand. Starting a fire is one of the most important survival skills, and the Atomic Bear Fire Wand makes it incredibly easy. This fire starting tool uses paraffin-infused hemp rope to create a slow, steady burn, giving you plenty of time to light kindling or other materials. The rope is stored inside a protective tube, which keeps your fingers safe and allows you to easily control the flame. When you're ready to extinguish the fire, you simply pull the rope back into the tube. Small and lightweight, this fire wand is perfect for backpacking, camping, or any situation where you need a reliable way to start a fire quickly. The Atomic Bear Fire Wand is a simple yet effective tool that ensures you'll never be without a fire when you need it most. Number 1. Lee LED Camping Lantern. Topping our list is the Lee LED Camping Lantern, a must-have for any emergency or survival kit. This lantern offers 4 different lighting modes, including full brightness, warm white, and flashing, giving you plenty of options for various situations. The lantern's 360-degree light distribution ensures that it provides ample illumination, making it ideal for power outages, camping trips, or emergency situations. One of the standout features of this lantern is its impressive battery life. It can last up to 12 hours on its highest setting, powered by just 3 alkaline batteries. Its IPX4 water-resistant rating means it can withstand light rain and snow, and it's portable enough to be used both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're preparing for a natural disaster or simply heading out on a camping trip, the LED Camping Lantern is an essential piece of gear that you can rely on. That's all for today's video. If you found these survival gadgets helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on staying prepared. Let us know in the comments which gear you'd add to your survival kit. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.